What's up, YouTube? This is Novadollar Investment coming back with another update on my real estate syndication investment progress. So, like I said before in the last video, please go back and watch that. This is an investment in real estate syndication, and basically, this is through a company called Syndication. Great company, do great business. And for those of you who do not know what real estate syndication is, basically real estate syndication is an aggregation of money from multiple investors for the purpose of investing together in a specific real estate opportunity. So, for example, a commercial office or an apartment building, or so on and so forth. So you're basically pooling your money with a syndication company who goes out and sources the deals and handle everything. They handle all the maintenance for these units, all the and everything that has to do with the property throughout the life cycle of the investment. So basically, I want to go over what I've been paid this month from my 3 investments. So my 3 investments are I'm in the general fund, which is the standard Sim Capital fund that encompasses a few different apartments, commercial properties. I'm also in a specific investment which I have $25,000 in, called Lavender Apartments. You can go search, Google it, and then an affordable housing fund that they offer as well. So in the affordable housing fund, you see that I have $50,000 invested in there. I've been invested since 2002. Total contribution so far is $10,000. As you can see, we can go back and look at the initial deposit. So initial deposit of $50,000, and you can see the amount of that I've been paid out since then. All the way up to last month, received on April 15th, we received $416 of preferred return. So basically, this is money coming in when folks are paying their rent and so on. Each investor gets a cut of the rent payment once the rent has been paid, based on how much money you have invested. Right now, it's almost a 10% return annually is what we're looking at, and we're still on track. Even with the high interest rates, these investments are still performing well. Not sure when they're going to be exiting any of these deals because of the high interest rate and what the market looks like currently. So right now we're just being patient and letting things do what it does. So moving on to the Lavender Apartment Fund, you can see we have about $25,000 invested with a total distribution of $3,500. And then for the month of April, you see that we brought in $187.50. And then moving along to the Sim Capital General Fund, you see another $25,000 invested, $3,500 distribution so far totally. And then the month of April, you can see we brought in $187 as well in this investment. So really happy with this company. Really happy with my investments. Investments are doing well. I can't complain as far as the how well these folks are, or how responsive these are. I'm not endorsing anyone. However, I'm just giving my honest feedback of my experience in dealing with this company. Um, I'm I'm not making any recommendations or anything like that. I'm just documenting my journey and sharing it with you. So do not take my advice or my commentary as gospel when it comes to making your own investment decisions. So here's a glimpse of what they're offering so far right now. They have a few investments open. You can go in there and you can look and see key informations like cash flow, the equity multiple, time horizon as far as how long your investment approximately will be locked up for, and the IRR. And then you can look at even deeper. You can look at articles and all the important documents that goes along with. Here's a brief description of the investments and what they're doing. And you can also look at the important documents like the capital stack and so on and so forth in here as well. For all the deals that they offer, I'm looking at the Village South investment to see if that's something I want to take part in. But I'm not sure right now. So we'll see in the upcoming future if I decide to commit any funds to any future investments here. Just a quick update. Wanted to show you all what's going on with this account, and as promised, and show you the journey. Okay, finally the last real estate investment. It's with Good Egg Investment. Remember, we're invested in a hotel fund. In their hotel fund, and I have about $12,000 invested in this account. We received a distribution this month of $239, which is pretty awesome. So that $239 is going to be taken and put into my M1 Finance. I'm not sure if you all are following that M1 Finance Journey to $1 million series. But this $239 will be put towards that portfolio in purchasing stocks and ETFs and so on to amplify that portfolio on my journey to 1 million. So if you haven't seen a video in that series as of yet, please check that out. So let's see. So Good Egg Investment, another group investment syndication firm. They go out, find the deals, source the deals, and we come in on the deals if we like what the numbers are looking like. As I stated before, I am invested in the hotel fund, which is down here. As you can see, the distribution is how much I got invested. Let's look at the deal so you all can see some of what's going on. So here you can see the balance. Distribution, that's about a 1.9% cash on cash in the last 12 months. And these are the two holdings in this portfolio currently. So currently there's a Candlewood Suites located in Kentucky. As you can see here are the numbers. I'm not going to go through every single number for the expenses and cost and revenues for every month, but this is a snapshot. If you want to take a look at it, pause the video and look away. And then here are the numbers for the Holiday Inn Express, also in Radcliffe, Kentucky area. And like I said, you can pause the video and take a look at all the net income loss information, revenue, cost, and expenses. All that information is there. Let's see. Let's go back and take a look. What else can I show you all that so let's take a look at here's the view of the entrance to the to both establishments. And as always, if you have any questions, please reach out. Let me know. I'll click on Fort Knox Hotel. Let's take a look at the deep dive. And I'll just quickly scan through each page. Like I said, you can pause the video and read all about these two investment opportunities. Here's another breakdown of both, looking at a 2.5 seven multiple equity multiple. Sorry, and here is the Holiday Inn Express occupancy, and also the Candlewood Express. Both units were built in the 2000s. One in 2007, which is Holiday Inn Express, and 2010, respectively. But like I said, I don't want to run through everything today. This video is already kind of long, so you can pause and go back and look at the numbers and so on and so forth if you choose to do so. So let me pull up the what is this? Let's see. Let's pull up. Let's trying to give you some relevant information regarding this investment vehicle. But like I said, so brought in about $800 through Sim Capital, and another $240 with Good Egg. So monthly cash flow in my real estate investment is around $1,000, which is pretty awesome. Passively for not doing anything. Basically, like I said, we love passive income. We love passive income, and it's gonna help us on our journey to $1 million in the M1 Finance portfolio. Here's a track record of success for Good Egg Investment. Average hold, even though the deal that I'm currently in, the portfolio, the fund, is scheduled to run 3 to 5 years. Normally, the exit is around 35 months. Like I said, that might be longer now with the higher interest rate, because no one's really buying right now because of that. And then equity multiple is around 2.8. That means that's 2.8 your money. So if you put it in, if you have around $100,000 invested, you're getting back to a little bit over two. Once it's all said and done, over 200,000. So 100,000 plus your capital. But that's it for now. I'm going to sign off. If you have any questions, please comment below. Have a good day. Take care.